Hi, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to use your graphic design skills to make passive income. And to do this, I'm going to show you a lot of different sites that I personally use to make passive income. All right, let's get started. I started trying to make passive income back in January of 2015 with Shutterstock. And my first month on that site, I made $1.81. Now that might not seem like much, but to me it was really exciting. And now I have 25 different sites that I put my artwork on and try to make a little passive income. Now some are just babies. I haven't been on the sites for very long and they're not making much at all. And some do pretty well. And I ended up quitting my job in March 2019 so that I could pursue passive income and freelance full-time. For passive income, I've got three main focuses. Number one is stock images. I submit all the same images to 11 different stock image companies. And here's the list of companies that I submit to: Shutterstock, 123RF, Big Stock, CanStock, DreamsTime, Adobe Stock, iStock Photo, Alamy, Pond5, Pixta, and Deposit Photos. And I submit new designs every single week. I have never missed a week since I decided to get serious about it, which was around February or March of 2016. And that was about a year after I started. If you're interested in creating stock images, I'd recommend just starting with one of these sites. And then when you get comfortable with that, add a new one on. Otherwise, it's just too overwhelming. I'm going to go out here to the Shutterstock website. And that way you can kind of get an idea of what types of images are popular. There are a few different types of files that Shutterstock accepts. They accept photos, footage, music, and vectors. So let's say you want to create some vectors. I'm going to choose vectors here. Then I'll just type in a keyword like restaurant. And here are the top vectors for the restaurant keyword. So these are the types of graphics that you'll want to create too if you decide to start on Shutterstock. You've got scenes, you've got icons, little logos. There's a lot of different things you can do. The second focus is crafting and print on demand. And under this category, I upload my designs to Etsy, Design Bundles, Redbubble, Society6, Teespring, Spreadshirt, and Threadless, and now also Zazzle. And I list all the same products on all these sites, and I upload at least one new listing every day to each site. Now the images that I put on the craft and print on demand sites are different images than what I put on the stock sites like Shutterstock, because they're a completely different audience, so they need to be different images. But there is a little bit of crossover where I can put them on both. To find out what's popular for crafters, you'll want to head over to designbundles.net, and then you can just kind of scroll down and see what's the most popular right now. Since we're getting close to Christmas, Christmas is very popular right now, and there are a lot of templates that can help other crafters with what they're working on. And now let's head over to Redbubble to see what is popular over here. We're just going to shop t-shirts. And right now they're featuring music t-shirts, so I'm going to click on that. And these are a lot more kind of artistic than the craft graphics. So honestly, my craft graphics do not sell very well out here on Redbubble, but I don't really have time to make graphics specifically for this site. If you want to start creating crafting or t-shirt graphics, it probably makes sense to start with Etsy, although you do have to pay a little bit for each listing. I think it's 20 cents right now. After you get comfortable here, then you can branch out to other sites. If you do want to start on Etsy, I have a couple of other videos to help you. Those will be down in the description, and then there should be one up at the top of your screen right now too. The third type of passive income I focus on is educational videos. So this is my YouTube channel, Skillshare, and Udemy. I was adding a video per week to YouTube, but I just switched to 3 because I want to grow my channel a lot in 2021. Let's head over here to Skillshare, and you can see what types of courses they have there. Now, personally, I'm not too consistent with adding full courses here, but I do hope to focus on this and Udemy more next year. The nice thing about teaching is that everybody knows about something. So it might not even be graphic design related. Just ask yourself, what do I know more about than my friends? And then go from there. You could create a course around that. Skillshare is really creative based, but on Udemy, you can create a class about anything. I also have a lot of smaller passive income things that I do. I'm an affiliate with Design Bundles, Skillshare, Flying Upload. I only started as an affiliate with these sites after I was really comfortable with them, had a good firm standing, and trusted them as a company. Because you don't want to recommend a company unless you're 100% sure it's a great company. Otherwise, you'll lose the trust of your audience. So you're probably thinking, wow, that sounds like a lot of work for passive income. And let me tell you, it is a lot of work, but I'm hoping that one day I can semi-retire and then the money will just keep flowing in. That's my goal. And I'm telling you, it is really a great feeling to be working for yourself and not for a boss or a client. Now, if you're interested in starting one of these passive income streams yourself, just leave a comment. I always try to respond and I'd be happy to answer your questions. All right, if you like this video, please click on the like button and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.